And then our Mbuzi. Uspitur Tsepo Namaz, no Papa, guys.
Yeah.
So we are gathered vandaag to discuss about episode 12. Right?
Is it episode 12?
Wasn't it episode 13?
11, 12.
It's episode
It's not 13.
12, yes. 12.
Okay.
Yeah, to discuss that one about the Nigerian king.
Yes.
Solomon.
Solomon.
Uspitur. Aye.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we bamba, yeah.
Yeah.
Before singena party deep, I have a question. Legends.
Yeah.
Ungabona kugoli kunani kakhulu kunamazulu and iyona igoli ehlala ubona ukuthi like bayaphuza benza konke lokhu kuphuma ecaleni and nanga le nto ye-COVID ingalinike isikhathi se-COVID ukubuyela khona ukubuyela kule ye-COVID ngaleso sikhathi zonke indawo abo bese sizenzela utshwala bazo especially KZN bese kuthenga khona KZN singamaXhosa kuthenga khona KZN.
Yeah. Right. If it was true for me, hence I said, Shruti, there was an accomplice there. How is it possible a foreign person can come here and be claimed as king or you understand or ordained as one? It doesn't make sense. If it happened, if it was true, it means there's an accomplice here. Shruti, there's someone who approved that from here. Which I
Hey yo, bam, it's your boy Scott from the Boycott KCOTT from 1246. We got the vibes. We're back again with another fucking episode. Vibescape Origin Podcast. VSOP the government. When the topic is off, topic. No topic is off, topic. Like we said, we've been saying, okay, before I continue, until I was introduced.
Okay. Butani manene namanene kazi. Igama lami ke mina ke Ndungulufefe. Ndungulufefe kaMkhwane. Elinye igama ke Ndungubayede. Yeah, ndim lo.
Danko. Sibonge futhi before. Iyo.
Butani manene namanenekazi igama lami ngingilwana fana namatshe ecina Big Xhosa Danze AC.
At the back with a Xhosa Marusabungena, that's why on Tatide Tati Mwana. And then our Mbuzi. We speak to Rutsepo Namaz, no Papa, guys.
Yeah.
So we are gathered vandaag to discuss about episode 12. Right?
Is it episode 12?
Wasn't it episode 13?
11, 12.
It's episode
It's not 13.
12, yes. 12.
Okay.
Yeah, to discuss that one about the Nigerian king.
Yes.
Solomon. Aye. Yeah, so we bamba, yeah.
Yeah.
Before singena party deep, I have a question. Legends.
Yeah.
I might cause I time to try very. Ukusela.
Well, baningi abantu abathanda utshwala. It's just that amaXhosa ingathi baya excel kakhulu. Yazi kungani ngisho kanje? It's because ihlezi kunama content. I-content enotshwala uthola umXhosa phakathi. So hence ngivele ngibone kanje like fana namaZulu, right? Most people might assume amaZulu wathole rank at-drive taxi.
Oh yeah.
I-perception yabantu abanayo leyo, right? So nakhona emaXhosa. And another thing for me to actually think ukuthi bathanda ukuphuza. Why? It's because there was this episode with Cutting Edge, khona omnye umadala namdala yazi. Uthi noma isister ku mara tata yazomdala ngoku so ufuna uye ukuphuza for your health. Wathi lo madala soze ndibiyele. So for me, I was like, yo, I treat it very simple zakho. And then during COVID, ne? Mfethu be-trend Eastern Cape dog. Bazenzele homemade.
Oh.
No, I was like, Oh, bayazenzela kodwa hayi bakuvalile sazenzela ukuthi yabo so yeah into kanjalo mara I'm not saying wonke amaXhosa athanda you understand
Yeah.
it's just ileyo shandisi le ideology we
Yeah.
have yabo based
Right.
on whatever maybe that's trending.
Normal content.
Yeah, izinto ey'kanjalo yabo. Same thing goes for AmaZulu. People might
things.
assume ukuthi sifaka ama-brand senzani, but not wonke AmaZulu akanjalo. You
Yeah.
understand? So yeah,
Intro.
ke kanjalo nje.
It's just a stereotype.
Yeah, mina ukuphendula nje umbuzo wakho ukuthi amaXhosa ngicabanga ukuthi aphuza kakhulu. Angicabangi because ngokwami ngumXhosa kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi mina like ngoba ngihlala khona nokubona ukuthi no like siyaphuza ukuphuza mara hayi ngaleyo ndlela because sonke siyazi ukuthi if singaqhathanisa amaXhosa namaZulu amaZulu yona amaningi so surely yona kwi-majority yokuthi enza izinto ey'ningi njengokuphuza ngokwami ngendlela engibona ngayo ungabona kogoli kunani kakhulu kunamaZulu and iyona igoli ehlala ubona ukuthi like bayaphuza benza konke lokhu kuphuma ecaleni and nangalento ye-COVID ingalento ngesikhathi se-COVID ukubuyela khona ukubuyela kule ye-COVID ngaleso sikhathi zonke indawo abo bese sizenzela utshwala bazo especially KZN bese kuthenga khona KZN singamaXhosa sithenga khona KZN
Yeah.
Ayazwakala. Nakusipitori baphuza kakhulu.
yeah yabona nje le
Huh?
Ndinombuzo.
Speak up. Audible.
Leyo the batheni bamthengisele iland in order for him to buy them booze uyithathapi. Bamthengisele umhlaba.
Okay. We need to establish what really transpired first, right?
Okay.
There's this thing called effect checking, right? To make sure whatever's been said is it based on ivari or it's just fiction. Ne? So now what transpired there, as much as everything was circulating, even the Amatole house traditional leaders of Khoisans, they didn't have enough information, hence they responded in a way that whatever was being said about that Igwe ceremony thingy, they thought it was actually true until the same guy, Solomon, did a live video clarifying what really transpired. Ne?
Sure.
It wasn't a coronation of any king. It was their ceremony. Do you understand? It's their culture. That's how they go about doing things. Because he is a king from Nigeria. Do you understand? But people got it twisted, or they had another perspective. They assumed actually. Why? You understand? So as much as people assumed, ne, it means we have different perspectives when it comes to analyzing a situation, right?
Yeah.
If it was true, for me, hence I said, truly there was an accomplice there. Ne? How is it possible a foreign person can come here and be claimed as king or you understand, or ordained as one? It doesn't make sense. If it happened, if it was true, ne, it means there's an accomplice here. Truly there's someone who approved that from here. Which I yeah, you understand? Yeah, truly you can't ezinye izinto awazi ukuzenzela wena.
Usuka le uze nje la.
Do you understand?
Yeah, true.
Shuthi khona umuntu osuke umtholile la, because we know corruption ibhaya like South Africa. It's not like it's thukile. You understand? Into besithusa ukuthi how is it possible ukuthi umuntu osuka ngale azoba ordained as king la
Ngakithi la.
Do you understand? That was the issue. Angeke sisusume isiZulu simusele eNigeria somclaima as a king in Nigeria. It doesn't make sense
At all.
Do you understand? But if it happens ukuthi bam ordain as the monarch that side, it means there's an accomplice that side who approved the yonke leyo shandisi there. Do you understand?
Definitely.
So for me, that's how I analyze the situation. After people who were gathered there in that Igbo ceremony, they posted pictures, right? People perceived the leyo as, hey, why engathi uyenzwa iking namjita leya, ne? Kanti it's a ceremony that they do. It's a cultural ceremony that they do. Nigerian who are kings, ne? So hence it was a ceremony for Igbo community. Do you understand?
Nigeria.
Yeah, I'm a Nigerian.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So people thina sibona ngenye indlela lo ukuthi
Hayi lumbuzi.
kanjani manje.
Okay.
Ne?
Yeah, no, they yenzeka like ehotela or emzini wakhe.
But
Yeah,
yeah,
ceremony.
I think kula hlala khona where I think it's where he stayed. Ne? But there's no direct thing eshoyo ukuthi where it actually transpired. But a place that it happened, it's Gompo.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
It happened there. Ne? So mind you, if they didn't post those pictures, it wouldn't have trended whatsoever. Ne? It only trended because they published it and then it started circulating. And then the Amatole traditional house of Khoisan and what society, they responded to that because it was urgent at that time.
Yeah.
Ne? They had to respond, although they didn't do research into what was happening there.
Yeah.
Do you understand? They responded in a way, ukuthi, truth it's true. Uzenzi King, Eastern Cape.
Hey,
Until dog wenza a live video clarifying ukuthi no guys, this is part of the culture I am. I'm a king where I come from. So this is how we usually do these things. It doesn't mean I'm not claiming myself or I'm not ordaining myself as a king here, right? I'm a king where I come from. Hence, it's a secluded ceremony. It was only done for the Igbo community.
But
You understand?
but mina like since yena lo mjida lona vele enza le ceremony yakhe eclaim ukuthi king kubantu bakhe la bahleli nabo akekho country yakhe ne akekho futhi kwindawo yakhe kunamakhosi Eastern Cape kunenkumkani ezikhona awungeke usebenzise ukuthi wena uyinkosi kunamakumkani akhona lapha although wona uthi uzorula abantu bakho uthini ukuthi kushuthi le nkumkani ekhona wena engakurule just because unenkumkani.
No, like, what was happening there? Then ifana nosiko nje any tradition like a Zulu tradition, ne? Inkosana kunendlela mhlambe esuke zenza umsebenzi ngakhona. Asithi ke mhlambe abantu abadala bahamba baya eEastern Cape, ne? Eastern Cape inabo inekumkani, right? So now if ngizoyenza usiko lwasebukhosini bakithi, ne? Kuleyo ndawo leyo, and then maybe it starts circulating in a way. Although ngwala South Africa, I guess reacted the same way than we reacted to Solomon Okbona, right?
Yeah.
Because yena is a foreigner, he's not from here. Do you understand? But lianto beka yenze bekusiko lwakhe.
Yeah, okay.
Bega, he's been staying here for many years, Chief.
Yeah.
You understand? So just because he's far from home, it doesn't mean he can't practice the culture yake. I don't know if it makes sense. He is a king where he comes from. Hence, there event like it was for the Igbo community, dog. Like a city, I move from South Africa, ne? I go to Nigeria, ne? Nginkosi mina. Nginkosana sithi nginkosana, ubaba inkosi. Mangifika ngale ngikhulela khona ngithi nginkosana. Mangenza usiko mhlambe ngale elibonisa like ubu kingship engisuka kubona. Uyazi ukuthi nabo they will have any mindset ukuthi yini ngathi uzenza inkosi la.
Yeah.
Because kunama Igbo ngale, ne? But if ngiyaba explainela, that's where they get to understand ukuthi oh okay truth usiko lwakho lolo. Hence bathi singawalahla amasiko. Amasiko alahleka kanje just because you are in a foreign land. Bese I can't practice the culture. You'll have a problem. So ubaba lo Solomon, he was practicing the culture yakhe.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand, but ukuthi uhlale khona isikhathi esingakanani lokho kumenza umuntu wakhona. Ukuthi uhlale Eastern Cape isikhathi esingakanani akumenza umuntu wakhona. Since ukuthi umuzo wenza ceremony endaweni engayona yakho, you have to go and ask for permission uma kumkana khona. Then you can do that ceremony. So ni permission. Awukwazi ukuthi uvele usuke nje uhlabe. Even now yazi ukuthi angeke umZulu usuka la yena ngeke usuke uyama Eastern Cape wenza ceremony angeke. Kumele ube khona amakhosi aziyo ukuthi okay kunomuntu okanje owenza ceremony. So sizokwazi okay wenza ini. Lo muntu akekho umuntu obekazi ukuthi wenza ini. That's why ku spread neindaba engekho. Ukuthi akekho umuntu ebekazi ukuthi wenzani.
True.
Yabo.
Useselapha lo mjito namanje.
Yeah. He
Still
stays
there.
there. Uhlala la.
Usabathengela utshwala. Anditshela ukuthi ubathela utshwala wabakunika umhlaba. Ilento engayiba
Ngiclarifyile le yazi ngitheni kuwe. Ngithe mina what happened? Even because everything started circulating, right?
okay.
So people had their own views with what was happening. Ne?
Right.
Even the people who misinterpreted the whole content that was posted on social media, it wasn't based on effect. Speculations. They were assuming Ugutu Zenzi king, right? Hence, he made a video, a live video, the same guy, ne? Clarifying Uguti, guys, I'm not claiming to be king in South Africa. I am a king where I come from. So this is a ceremony. Do you understand? I don't know if it makes sense.
So
But
Akayo King
so-
So Akayo King
no, speculations. The same people who started spreading these rumors, Uguti, he's claiming to be king. Where did they get that information from? I'd ask the same thing. Should they were lying now almost? Because whatever they were saying is not true.
And people were mad.
Exactly. Eastern Cape iphethwe yini?
Most dominated amaxhosa.
Exactly, chief. So if kuzofika umuntu ayenza izinto ezikanje lapha, kushuthi there's an accomplice. Kushuthi there's someone who owenza lezi zinto, who took a bribe or something. This is South Africa, dog. Izinto ezikanje zenzeka. Do you understand? Kushuthi khona into ibikhona lapha, right? You understand? So now, mina, I have my own perspective, I have my own perception. That's how I viewed the whole thing. Something happened here.
Yeah.
Do you understand? And then into Pella, just because I'm saying, this is my opinion. It doesn't mean it's facts. Now, Bolabo said Uzenzi king. It wasn't based on fact right in there. They were assuming. You understand?
Yeah.
But hey, why so and then we start circulating. Mind you, I'm a leader. Well, up here in Eastern Cape, the traditional leaders of Khoisan, they also assumed. They didn't do fact checking. They didn't do follow up to understand what's Wenzagalan. All they did is, no, this can't be true. They are disrespecting us, but they didn't have evidence as to whatever was happening. It's do you understand?
Yeah,
So,
but ngoba nambu usushela ukuthi lo muntu bekenza ceremony already seyiphulile imithetho angeke usuke la yenza ceremony kwenye indawo ngaphandle kwepermission yamakumkani angeke
mina angeke ngazi ke ngale because
labantu laba since bona bethi lo muntu uzenza king angambeka ceremony bese ceremony bekayenza angazi maybe bakhona ba-interpreter lento babona ukuthi lo muntu lento ayenzayo kushuthi uzenza king yabo ngendlela yabo nabo yabo kushuthi njengoba bona sebenze ngendlela yabo ukuthi babone ukuthi lo muntu uzenza king babese ngichaza kanjani lento liyazi
Ngiyamuzwa mina ufuna ukuthini ne. So then what he's saying is that so what he's saying is that according to the culture state in Cape, that if you have to host a ceremony claiming to be a king, you must go to them. Did he get the approval or was going to the approval?
No, it didn't state Uti. He got the approval. Hence, it wasn't a public thing in there because we were Nigerian.
So what happened was Untanga usukela suka khona azakai.
No, uhlala lapha, kudala ehlala lapha.
Okay, sure. Shukuthi bekahlala lapha la hlala khona. Then afika a host ceremony abathenga utshwala. Makaqeda ukuthenga utshwala then he because that's what you said last episode, right? Mina ngikhuluma
Mina what happened opinion yami if it was true he was claiming
what actually happened ufikile athenga utshwala did he buy the booze?
Listen chief, you're not listening. You must
okay,
listen, people. I'm saying to you, if it was true, to be a claimer, or a king, then my speculation is, there's an accomplice in Apaya. Someone was bribed in order for the guy to occupy the land in a way. You understand? Because in Nigerian, how can a Nigerian end the ceremony? Do you understand? Until dog, Wakipa video clarifying that matter, I go to know, guys, I'm not claiming to be king. Ne? I am a king where I come from.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Buga, you think Jet. A city he did go to Amakumkan, ne? And got the permission. And then same thing happens. I ends and still people will have speculations. Chief Uguti, that guy is claiming to be king. It doesn't like he gafana ukumehlu or ubonu.
What I'm asking is, ukuthi, what actually happened? Ukuthi some speculations ganzakaleni. Who ubani othenga utshwala lapha? Kule event.
Yeah.
Or everyone came, phela mesost event, it's either, my man, phela mesost event, it's either uzana utshwala bakho, uzana utshwala bakho, uzana utshwala bakho. Who bought the booze? Who yethenga utshwala then I feed abantu or people came with their own alcohol? Who bought the booze? Indaba abantu bakhalela le ndaba ukuthi uNtango ufika athenga utshwala he's going to be a king. Sharp. But then the event happened. What I hear is that the event happened.
Yes,
Then
transpired.
okay, Sharp. Yeah, na athi he didn't even claim to be a king.
Yes.
Uyenza lento ayenza la suka khona.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So what I'm asking is, did he buy the alcohol
Alcohol.
for the event that happened?
Yeah.
And people saw, which oh,
I think okay, I'm a Nigerians now, ne? So
Second, I'm a
obviously,
Nigerians.
yeah,
I am a toss.
yes.
Oh.
But listen, what I said, good at video, ne? This is what I said. Ngithe mina, if vele what was happening, if he was if he was claiming to be the monarch, ne? Or if it was a coronation of him as being king in Eastern Cape, then it means there's an accomplice there. Ne? There was someone who was bribed. Obviously, because it's the land of the Xhosa people.
Okay,
But you're not listening.
Ebekhona amaXhosa ebekhona kuya Solomon.
We don't know. But it's Eastern Cape though.
But njengoba usoshilo na ukuthi iSolomon beyenzela ama Nigerian.
Yeah, I
And
think
especially sakhe
yes.
lo mjidi.
Yes.
So asazi nokuthi bekhona yini amaXhosa noma
We don't know.
so what are the
But-
speculations about? Ngoba yikho into siyikhuluma because we can't just say ukuthi he's claiming. How did he claim to be a king?
Exactly. It trended.
Because
on
wenza
social
lento
media.
lena wenzela for let's say mina ngiyafika, let's say
Yeah.
let's say mina ngumntwana ngifika Eastern Cape, uzangithi Eastern Cape eNatal.
Sure.
Ngifika ngihostela abacala bakithi kawo
Yeah.
ipart. Then people come saying hayi wena ngathi ufuna ukuthatha umhlaba wethu, ngathi you wanna be a king or how did
I think
how did the speculations come about? He wanted to be the
Our
king.
perspective about because they saw
bengekho ama-video social media la like abantu bathatha ama-video during that ceremony.
we were called and hence it trended right in there. There was there were pictures of that ceremony. Everything that was happening, there was the content.
And
Hence,
in
it
the pictures,
trended.
and in the pictures,
Yes.
there was alcohol. That trended.
Ngisho ukuthi kukhona
uSolomon bekafaka i-crown.
Ngifuna ukwazi utshwala kukhona lapha.
The alcohol part and
In like most people who came and complained who watched the episode, they were
Yes.
like, "Kuthi amaXhosa ayanqila, kuthi amaXhosa
No, amaXhosa.
That's why sigxininisa phaya.
No, abantu bayaphuza sharp, ne? Mara amaXhosa ayaphuza cha.
Ayasela,
Yes.
ayasela.
So hence I'm saying mina, if whatever was happening there
That's true.
was true, guys.
Ngeke bahambe.
Then bawashayela iphathi.
Then babashe mfethu come on, obviously khona ibribe, khona ichocha abawutholile la. Angeke ufike njami kumhlaba ongawazi, ufike sengithi hayi bafethu hayi mani kancane. Obviously usho ukuthi khona umuntu oye wakuvumela, oye wathola imvume kuyo ukuthi you must do what dog.
kanjani because
Envelope.
if wena uthe wena lo mjida lo kade hlala lapha
Mhm.
so manje
Buka, ngitheni mina. Ngithe before I clarify ukuthi what was happening lapha akusi i-coronation as a king. Then before that there were speculations, ne? People had their own perspectives. Hence abantu bathi he's claiming to be king. He didn't claim to be king. What did he claim to be king? They saw pictures, they were like, "Hi, uzenzi king." Kanjani? Did he say he's claiming to be king? No. What did you see? The perspective yakho. That's how you saw the event. You were like, "Hi, ngeke. Hi, ngeke." Do you understand?
Looks
Until you
quite
clarified
dangerous.
everything. I'm sorry. Even a leader dog, wale, they were like, this is true. He's claiming to be king. He's disrespecting us. But they didn't have a fair twab. They didn't do research, follow up. Until that guy released the video, that's why they were like, oh. Even in Nigerian commission, yakhona traditional what's what
Yeah.
was like, no guys, what was happening, he's not claiming to be king, this is part of culture yakhe, this is how kings do a ceremony.
Kushuthi bekenza kahle umjita. Bekenza king yama-ceremony wakhe. Bekenza yabo bekenza i-ceremony
Yama, like
No.
what they do in Nigeria, they still when you go to mina ngiyinkosi, afika yenza la South Africa. That's what they sing against. Yeah.
Bekenza kona.
Into ebuzayo.
That's why phela abantu base-EC bathi lo muntu claim ukuthi uzenza king. Yabo.
Yazi lento enjani ne usiko lwakhe loluya. So if mina ngafika eBotswana ne ngifike ngize niyimbuzi ngizohlaba ngizenza usiko lwami mhlambe ngenza impeleko something bese bayibone leyo nto asithi maybe hence khona lento le bathi yini I social and cultural background kind of things, so ne, where like people from different locations they interpret things differently, right?
Sure.
Hence, how we use symbols as well. It affects the location and location. You understand?
Sure.
So if bona they were to see me, asithi le, if uzohlaba imbuzi, it means uyinkosi. I'm assuming ne. eBotswana if uzohlaba imbuzi, it means you're a king. Ne? Ngiyafika mina lapha ngihlaba imbuzi. How will they interpret that? Bazocanga ukuthi ngiyi-king angithi.
Yeah.
But mina I know ukuthi that's not the case. Mina ngizoyenza imbeleko la. Do you understand? So that's the exact same thing that was happening there. You understand? But if he didn't release that video, Solomon, people were still gonna speculate. That is why even Ungizwe no Babu Pagel, they started this match heavy. That's how I know they must go.
Let's try it. That's what friends are happening.
You understand?
Yeah, that's what
Exactly.
I also thought the same thing.
That's what happened, guys. You understand?
Yeah.
But me, what I'm saying, we will always have our own perspective, our own opinions as people.
Yeah.
Mina, that's how I read that situation. If it was true, then it means khona abantu ababribe lapha. And abobana abantu abahlala lapha eStern Cape. Amaxhosa.
Uyimele ke le.
And they were quite bona vele.
Azi uyimele ke le.
And bebekwatile futhi lapha kumavili ubabone athi hayi kunjani. You understand? Angeke basuze. Yasigezela. You understand?
Yeah, true.
Because le nto leyo bafethu mani ngizobeka kanjani? Perspectives, man.
Yeah.
We read situations.
Can I ask?
Okay.
Wait.
So, certain outside.
Okay. What I'm saying is, we read things differently, ne? Did you know, Guti, as much as most of us as Slogo City, yeah, they must go there, they must go to their country. During apartheid regime, there was something that transpired here, right? One of the comrades or political members, they took refuge in other countries, right? Without the legal documents. Ne? They sheltered them, they gave them food because they were running away from the apartheid that was happening here.
Exactly.
But Leon Doleo, most they had no legal documents, bruh. They went to Zambia, they went to Tanzania, Angola, they were there. You understand?
Sure.
But if they were to I think England is close. But I'm not saying they shouldn't go. They must go so that they can come back with the legal documents. You understand?
Uthini kahle kahle. Uthini akusakuzwa uthini.
Ngizwe ngithini? Ngithi mina I think siyakhohlwa ukuthi sisukaphi. Ne? If usithi siyabaxosha ngicela sibeke kahle lento ukuthi guys, you're trying to fix the country, can you please go back home, and then if you want to come here you must come here with legal documents. Ne? Siyayikhohlwa lento ukuthi thina ama-comrade laba bebalwela the freedom that we have, they went to exile.
Yeah.
Bebenganawo amaphepha nje amasemthethweni.
Yeah.
They sheltered us, they gave us food, they were there for us. Even some political leaders from other countries, they came here fighting with us the same war. Do you understand? Bebebonisani ubuntu, which we are all one. But you seem to forget that because now it's comfortable. Do you understand? Information is
Yeah.
You understand? But information is corner. You understand? If you were to reflect on that, I think the perception is no. Actually, no. if usithi mabahambe kahle kungaliwa ne
Yeah.
they must go and then come back kahle, you understand? Kungabi ngathi manje sithi hayi mabahambe, you understand? Exactly.
Mara if uyakhumbula
Mm.
ngaleso sikhathi sabo 2010 yabo ngaleso sikhathi sabo 2010 labantu like besihlala kahle ngabe ku right then kwafika iWorld Cup yazi makuziba khona iWorld Cup kwagcwala kakhulu eSouth Africa kwenzeka konke okwenzeka then imajority yabo azange besabuyela yahlala la yabo before 2010 be right even icrime bingekho kakhulu. I'm not saying bingekho but bingekho kakhulu yabo.
After that.
Then sahlala sabaningi manje yabo sesibaningi nabo. Okay, sebela ke manje sekune crime eningi, unemployment ayikho nayo. I'm not saying yibona abasethe unemployment abanye benze ukuthi singasipani because buya bheka na like yani abantu abafundile eSouth Africa ibona kakhulu abangasipani laba abafundile and labantu abama-foreign abekho kule ndawo bemisebenzi lefundelwayo yala eSouth Africa like abothisha ibona abaningi abangasipani. Angicabanga ukuthi khona i-foreign elothisha eSouth Africa yabo but in city like akhona but like la sibacoshayo la sithi akahambi like ngicabanga ukuthi khona maybe ngekho semthethweni eluthisha permanent.
Yeah,
Angicabanga ukuthi khona angazi.
angicabanga
Then
mfethu.
labantu ngoba sebekhona before 2010 angani bebengekho then kwazi ukuthi ngoba bebekhona but bebebancane manje sebebaningi abahambi because mabehamba then sophunguka sikwazi ukulungisa kahle then sebezobuya kahle yabo.
Exactly.
Sesisetile necrime isiyaphela sesisipana nathi angazi noma sosipana yini.
No, like for real, because if they baspend isikhathi la ama-country abalungiswa abobani,
Yeah.
you understand? So vele kumele babuyele le.
Yeah, but ukuvakashanyana.
Yeah, because manje mabehleli la isikhathi esiningi yamosheka la basuka khona.
Mara ngiyacabanga lena ukuthi izoyi-affecta kanjani i-economy yala eSouth Africa because like let's say if since kunama-truck awela imingcele aye ko-Mozambique ko-Namibia yabo ala South Africa, if labantu bangadecide ukuthi bathi bona since you are saying asihambe then nani-ke ama-truck wenu ase-South Africa ayona something laba asisawaceli kuzokwenzekani nge-economy yala eSouth Africa.
Yeah, because like in Nigeria bashisa ama-Shoprite la ne because i-company yakuphi yala. You understand? So lento lena izomosha kakhulu and izos-affect and thina ugesi yazi ama-minerals ogesi siwathathayo eMozambique.
eMozambique.
So sizoba nenkinga masingayibheki kahle soba nenkinga because singagcina sifana neZimbabwe.
But if siyaqhubeka kanje kuzoqhubeka kumoshakala labahambi because umuthi uyabheka like i-crime le South Africa iningi
Too much.
iningi especially ama-drugs yabo ama-drugs
Yeah,
yona
leyo yinkinga ke leyo.
Ama-drugs angahamba
especially Nigeria yo.
Yeah, my brother Gal made it such a strong valid point about us forgetting what our people from South Africa during apartheid they went to exile. I want us to dive into that topic now because if I think that those are different contexts now. Because if you look back now, siyakhohlwa ukuthi bebayelana exile. They were fight bebayenzani lapha mebafike exile. They were just chilling bahleli eJozi bathengisa ama drugs eJozi la. Okay, let's say dropping la. Bebangahlelanga bathengisa ama drugs bebayenzani. And if you could look nama conditions bebahlala kuwo lapha, some of them used to live in matendeni and live in such hard
camps.
Yes, summer camps, yes. They used to live in camps. I think most of the job which abantu baphume ngapha exile, most of them they went there carrying weapons. If you could take back, what was the purpose of them going to exile? Was to them to guard a strategy. They will be able to empower them with weapons because I mean, we weapons are dangerous and then Tina, we forgetting what were they doing? So then I think us comparing Ramafurina Anga Paguti now Bebase Mozambique now back in the past, I think it's something irrelevant because born a year South Africa, okay, what are they doing now here in South Africa? Illegal. they came illegal. Okay, asibekele eceleni indaba illegal because both of instances bese illegal. Bona bafika bathunani, they selling drugs, human trafficking, yonke into ebheke eceleni. Those who are undocumented. I'm not saying everyone who's undocumented is doing those stuff, ne? But then most of them, it's clear. What are they doing? Ne? So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Some of them are selling counterfeit brands, HOs and so on. So that's what I'm saying. You go check out Tina. They were fighting to be soldiers and everything, whilst learning Zanzibar, they're fighting for the Tina. Like that, those are different struggles and so on.
Let me say something, Doc. Now, even if ama reasons can be different, the truth of the matter is that they gave us shelter. Not everyone went to exile. Ne? Ama opinion leaders who went to exile. Because back then, if you were an opinion leader, they had good no. I to see it. They were manzin laban. Babale, you understand? And then maybe figure out my country now. They gave them what? Shelter. They gave them food.
And training, military.
Do you understand? Even some of ama soldiers from those countries, like Samora Machel, he came here.
South Africa.
But babona belungu say ngathi sizoba nenkinga. Athi shayelo ya. You understand? Because we guy dictator na, strong. You understand? So but I lo artist qede ngayo. Bamboma lapha. You understand?
Yeah.
So izinto lezi mhlambe ngathi asikho aware ngazo, especially thina youth. We overlook those things. See, like, very mabahambe labantu laba. But if we were to go back and analyze the situation and see what unfolded, maybe this is over a new perspective. Now, we're not saying they shouldn't go, they must go over.
Sure.
They must go.
Yeah.
And then come back again. They must come back. Banamaphepha, ne? Because ama-country wabo azosafara, bra.
Yeah.
Azosafara, bra. You understand?
Yeah.
Ahlele ama-country wabo lapha. Nothing is happening. But the poverty does that to umuntu. You understand? And there's nothing you can do. They are struggling like ama-country booty. They are struggling, and I'm a street vendor buyer. Hence, the competition is too tight. Let me go to another country. Maybe you know, I'm standing, and then see the Nile goods. They're taking our jobs. Which jobs?
Which jobs?
I was telling which jobs. Because I want to love us. I said that I'm standing. Abanye felt to share this thing up. Ureka ukuthi uthola umuntu ala uzokutshela ukuthi hayi mina bhuti mina ngizakulungisela yona bhuti ureka. You understand? Naba abanye benzani bashaya iskuta. Yangithola. Thola umuntu ala hayi mina iskuta. Spanisa njani?
Yeah,
do you understand?
Yeah, ngifuna ukuyela kule point ngaka Spitoli ukuthi like umuzo iqhathanisa nalabantu abaswala babe ama-contracts ngesikhathi apartheid baye-exile umuntu uyabheka ngekukhona like baqhathanisa nalaba sebekhona before 2010 amafuriyana bekakhona e-South Africa but besihleli nayo ku-right yabo inkinga imosheke masefika esemaningi yabo abo manje like sek-overcrowded manje yabona ukuthi abasalawuleki sebefuna ukudlula nathi manje ukugcwala nayo yabo so manje sekuyasiphola ukuthi angeke madoda angeke kwanathi ngiyabona nani economy yethu iyabheda manje akusafani nangelesa sikhathi benisafika bekusazameka manje benisafika yabo amafuriyana aqala bekafika la asipani ahambe abuyele ayoshaya imali nemindeni yakhe but now umuntu uyabheka ayafika abone ukuthi oh imali ikhona ahlale nemindeni yawo alanda imindeni yawo le ayizohlala nayo la angasabuyela le so kusho ukuthi mangeza la emuva kwenzakalani akuna progress basamile because abalungisi khona at least ukuthiwa bathatha le economy ya South Africa le mali abasebenza la bahambe nayo bayoshintsha le manje bamathatha le mali yala bayisipandise khona la
most of them abayibheki imali yakho
hayi abakuyenzi lokho
enye into ebuhlungu ukuthi yazi singaloko sikhuluma sithi labantu laba benzani basuka mhlambe lena bazelana sikhohle ukuthi nathi khona abantu la ababavumelayo ukuthi hayi uzani man hayi kodwa wena keep imali nje understand so sekukhuluma imali bhuti wami understand hence kwaphuma le scandal lesi ukuthi iHome Affairs seyidayisela abantu ama-ID understand yenza bobani yithi understand bese siphinde sithi abayahlanya labantu laba mara kuyithi futhi sikwazi ukuthi sivumele le nto leyo ukuthi yenzeke
bona abantu bethu bayibangaba le
exactly umthetho wethu thina uqinanga bhuti ne ngathi corruption ile kwi-government singobani thina yayizwa ke leyo shandisi leyo umthetho wethu awuqinanga and indlela esendlela ngayo izinto yezo sikhawathi ngithola sizoluza ama like most businesses will bazobuyela emuva asithi for instance you know Johan Rupert ne
yeah
ibillionaire ngithi most yama company wakhe they do contribute to the economy of South Africa.
And fun fact is that a day doesn't pass without you using his products.
Booty, exactly. Just imagine if he was to say, Yazin, I'm going. You understand?
Yeah.
Come on.
Next.
Yeah. Just imagine if he was to say, you know what? I'm going now. I'm in a company seniors born. We'll have a problem. We'll have a very serious problem.
Especially people with the lower standard of living.
Exactly. Young so isn't also dura pela. Young so senkingeni strong.
Mina yazi ngifuna ukuyibuza mina yabo angazi ukuthi khona yini owazi laba kulamazwe like kuMozambique nawo Namibia na wonke lamazwe la baphila under democratic or independent baphila phansi kwani
Kanjani boy?
Anganyazi ukuthi thina like siphila under democratic so bona since basarule government or it's similar to Eswazini basarule ama king.
Oh, which one? Neighboring countries?
Botswana in president.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, it has a president.
Botswana.
Yeah.
In
Lesotho, in a president. But I think in Lesotho, because Conan a king, I can tell Lesotho.
Yeah, I think it's a mixture. They're using both systems,
yes.
But most of us to regulate, I think they're using
government. But ukuthi yabheka Eswazini basebenzisa basarule ama king, the king. Yabo, not to government. Yabo. So, ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi like kulamazwe lawa njengako kuZimbabwe kanje. Ngabe government ukhona yini lapha?
Na ukhona, ngithakhumbula bekuno Mugabe. Umugabe bekayi-president yaxosha ama-foreign. Abaxosha ngenye indlela kawo emangaza kabe ngithanda.
Phima. Umugabe.
Axosha ama-foreign ase-Zimbabwe. Abaxosha ngenye indlela kawo like violently so kawo.
Then usha bongama.
Yes. Axosha ama-foreigner. Then la irandi la lapha idola la idola la kadaka. Oh.
Come on, my investor, baba. Masiphuma my investor.
Yes.
That's the problem.
You understand? Just imagine which one Rupert ayiwanje. Athi mnabafana ngiyahamba mina. So basenkingeni. You understand? We'll be in serious problem. You understand? So we do need each other in a way. If sizothi ama-foreigner mawahambe, kumele sithi phela nabongamo nabo mabahamba. Ama-China bayacontribute ku-economy la eSouth Africa bafethu. Ama-products amaningi esiwasipanisayo made in China. Think about it.
Yeah, true. I'm going to speak to you.
But mina ngicabanga ukuthi ama-China amaningi ala eSouth Africa. Like mangithi lamazwe aphuma maybe like ama-China amaningi. Ngicabanga ukuthi illegal.
Yeah.
Angicabanga ukuthi ama-China amaningi ala eSouth Africa illegal.
No better.
Since
we are not saying ama-foreigner. We are saying foreigners. Uzwile batheni uThebe uphakela. Hey, noma documented, go home. We are trying to fix our country.
That's what you know, there's a strategy. There's
Uthe wonke umuntu babongane makahambe.
Maybe ama-reasons wakhe
umuntu osipana permanent yena uzowenza njani? because phela if
Documented,
ungaspana phe
ya nami yabo leya yiyo engayi-understand but
What's that?
uthe mabahambe yenza umalema bekathi if sizothi ama-foreigner mawahambe kumele sibale nabelungu but who well, there's this woman oyakhomenta ku-Twitter wathi ngiyanibona niloko nithi mabahambe mina uthini I think 6 months or 3 months ngila and ama-documents wama-expiry then ngithini ngami usho ungami lapho and bona babhize laphayana umlungu yakhuluma uyanibonisa ukuthi kahle kahle le trilogy eninayo ayikho if ngifuna ukuba ukuyenza lento kumele be consistent every foreigner including us you must go but we are here expired documents there's nothing you can do ayikho into ebuhlungu njengalo yabo ubesibonisa ukuthi ayikho into enizoyenza uyakhomenta live uyatrend i-tweet yakho wathi Malema this is what I've been saying but uthi na i-strategy zakamalema ngisithandi man hey Malema uzosicoshela ama-investors bekuthi abelungu mabahamba wafika siwazini wayenza leyo nto le bamshaya hayi leso strategy leso angeke sisipane bro wami but ngiya-understand le ukuthi
esiqeda no-Trump
yabo leyo
esiqeda no-Trump
so asifuni leyo nto leyo yabo most yalabantu laba most ama-foreigner ama-investor la eSouth Africa I understand they are investing in our own country
mara ama-Nigeria wahambe
no ukuthi
but what into engiquestiona kakhulu ukuthi ama-Nigeria ne Nigeria it's very far from South Africa kam so then ukudlula wonke la ma-country laba sho ukuthi bakune-bribery somehow bafike kanjani
no dog most yalabantu laba
or baflyile bafly from airport to airport
this is what I'm thinking ne ama-Nigerians most yawo afika with ama-documents here and then they overstay and then ama-documents expire and then they can't go back home now it becomes an issue because bazokubuza mhlawumbe mawufika e-airport ukuthi and then why ama-documents expire you see but hence kunama-embassy in every country our country yakho that's where you go and clarify lezo zinto lezo and then they fix your documents for you understand but now hence most yabo they were like hi truly there's an opportunity here let's just sell drugs you understand it becomes a problem truly not is ignorant why would we take drugs knowing very well what they are destroying us phela it's not like bakubambe ngesandla kanje bakufunza ama-drugs uyela willingly dog you understand wawadla lawo ma-drugs so they saw i-opportunity ukuthi abantu laba balele laba athi sibalokhu nje
kanti simple wena ngakuthatha ngikushayisa ama-drugs kayi-1
exactly
ngikhisa umeri kam once ngakushayisa kayi-1 you-addicted la so then obviously I have 1 million customer obviously wena uzofaka uscott afaka ulwandle nani so then I don't think ukuthi baforce sometimes indawo ukuthi mina vele ngiphume eSoweto and indaba yama-drugs ka it's a serious issue ka ngiyababona ka fallen soldiers ka babhaya
ayibo hey kunzima yabo so izinto ezenzekayo lezi sibhekana nazo
mara enye niyazi umuthi yabheka lama-foreigner la dayisayo like emgaqweni kanje umuthi yabheka wona ilawa like lawa aphuma ko-Mozambique ko-Zimbabwe but lawa adayisa ama-drugs ama-Nigeria kakhulu unqabile ukuthi ungabona i-Nigeria emgaqweni unqabile uyakulibona lidayisa lona uzolibona maybe kula mathawuni amakhulu i-Nigeria banamashop esikakhulu bona ama-Nigeria ila banamashop la amakhulu ila abadayisela khona ama-drugs wabo abahambi bashiye nje nkosi yami
mara vele angimangali nanokuthi siyesadliwa shawa eMexico sidlala nama-drug dealer lapha serious kakhulu lento ama-cartel ama-drug cartel
but that amazes me the most guys that there's this drug bust iqeda kuyenzakala no I think it's 200 million whereby batshontsha ama-drugs whereby let's say amaphoyisa they confiscate drugs that coming from, let's say, South America. By confiscator, then I'm a put a fly tata in there, by tata by Sapa warehouse. We were trying to give a warehouse. The same police about Tati, but pinned by George and I'm tax now. I don't know, yeah, like something like that. So then next episode, I'm
So look-
Sisti.
Okay, so to clarify something, sesivana ne. Sitshayile ngithi.
Yeah.
Bafethu, angithi amaXhosa ayaphuza.
Yeah.
Angithi amaXhosa wonke ayaphuza, everyone bayaphuza, namaZulu ayaphuza ngithi. Mina bese ngikhulumela ukuthi that's how I analyzed their situation. Ne? It was my assumption. It wasn't based on effect. Hence, now whatever who speculated those dinging
Yeah.
that asibonise enye into ukuthi bekwenzeka that thing, ne?
True.
The king of what. It wasn't true as well. So it was speculation. amaXhosa awaphuzi bafethu, awaphuzi. amaXhosa awaphuzi.
Not ukuthi
amaXhosa awaseli. Abakuthinti nokubuthini. Abayazi nokuthini le.
uyangibona nje.
Baselitiya. Nenqodi, basela nenqodi. Yeah.
Siyabonga for today. Now I was not saying not to take some drugs. We are Nigeria. Thank you guys for the episode. We hope we would see you all got what you wanted. Anish.
Danko.
VSOP the government. See you guys on another episode. Thank you.
Danko, please.